In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Trello board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps to get you connected with your team on Trello. First things first, you'll need to log in to Trello. Fire up your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. You'll see a login button in the upper right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on that. If you already have your email and password handy, just enter them now. But don't worry, if you prefer using another method, you can also sign in using a linked account like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even Slack. It's really convenient. Once you're logged in, the next step is to request or receive an invitation. Remember, to join a specific board, you need an invitation from a board admin or someone who has the ability to invite you. If you haven't been added yet, don't hesitate to reach out to the board manager. Simply send them a quick message via email or let them know your Trello username to request access. Now, once you've got that invitation sorted out, it's time to accept it. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a message from Trello. When you find it, open that email up and look for the link inside. Click on it to accept the invitation and join the board. Just a quick note here. It's best to act promptly because some invitation links may expire after a certain period. After you click that link, you'll be directed straight to the Trello board. If you're a new user and don't have a Trello account yet, don't worry, the link will guide you through creating one before you gain access to the board. Just follow the prompts and you'll be all set. Once you're on the board, this is where the real fun begins. You can start viewing tasks, adding comments, and collaborating with other members. It's a great tool for team communication and project management, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and various features available. Explore the lists and cards, and don't hesitate to participate in discussions related to your tasks. As you dive deeper into Trello, you'll discover endless possibilities for organizing your work and tracking progress. Whether you're managing a project, planning an event, or just keeping your tasks in order, Trello has got you covered, and being part of a board makes the experience even richer. There you go. Now you know how to join a Trello board. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. You'll be navigating Trello like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.